Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Cliganic USDA Organic Jojoba Oil 100 Pure, 4 ounces large, natural cold-pressed unrefined hexane-free oil for hair, face, base carrier oil. Cliganic 90 days warranty. Rub it in well and dirt in my pores. Makeup waterproof eyeliner and mascara. Loosen right up for my face cleanser to do the rest of the work afterwards. Not only does it keep me moisturized all day and absorb into my skin quickly, it had also helped improve the appearance of my acne scars. It's much easier to wash out of my hair than coconut oil, which lasted for way too long and made my hair greasy. Jojoba oil is supposed to be the closest to human skin oil, and it feels so good to put it on. It absorbs well and makes a world of difference on the dry spots by my eyes, my elbows, and everything else too. It arrived on time and in very good packaging. Cliganic Organic Jojoba Oil 100 Natural no doubt is an excellent product for face and hair. A second order is already on its way. It gives you a nice glow without looking like a grease ball, and it has a bunch of other beneficial properties. It's too early to comment on the long-term benefits of this oil and wouldn't be fair of me to do so now. First of all, you have exceeded my expectations. Product got here on time. My recommendation is keep up the good work. It has excellent. It doesn't dry up like most other oils and moisturizers and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. And a few drops go a long way, so it's nice that they give you such a large amount of product. Pure and wonderful skin care should be a benefit that shows results in your skin. You notice, you see, you feel better about your skin and the way you look. It has safe and healthy way to take care of dryness on all levels. Gives extra moisture. One may need a little extra boost to doesn't like soft hair and skin for a great price. Apparently jojoba oil is closest to our skin's natural pH, and you can completely feel the difference when you apply it. This specific oil, though, for some reason made my skin smell like bacon, or what scratch and sniff bacon would smell like. Bought this for my granddaughter who has dry hair. It works so well on her hair and makes it more manageable to detangle in the moisture it leaves on her hair without making it look greasy. It makes my skin feel soft and does not leave an oily surface, so this oil absorbs better than coconut oil. It is not super thick, so it's easy to wash off, and any residue is easily patted, absorbed into skin for extra hydration. Has a pretty good moisturizing ability. It really has no smell, but a small strange smell, but it really has no smell. It's good to rub gently in circles, then let it sit for at least 30 minutes, then rinse gently with lukewarm water. It actually cleanses the dirt and oil from your pores, so there won't be any buildup or dirt getting left behind. Some people may have a reaction like any other natural or synthetic thing you put on your skin, so test a small area on the inside of your arm first. Only problem is it makes me a literal chick magnet, and grocery shopping with my wife has been awkward ever since. However, my skin loves this product. It has helped even out my skin tone, clear up my complexion, and fade acne scars, not to mention completely moisturizing. It does tend to pull some of the curl out after a couple of days, but if you are a daily hair washer, you won't have to worry about this. It feels light on the skin, doesn't absorb very quickly, but when it does, it doesn't feel greasy and gross. Jojoba oil was reported to help lessen the severity and frequency of rosacea flare-ups, and it seems to have done exactly that for me. Might feel a little oily for the first minute or so, but after that your skin would feel supple and smooth. One drop on my face as spot treatment at night after applying Puracy hand body lotion. Yes, Puracy, this hand lotion on my face. It also does not make me break out in pimples like you would think an oil would. It's actually the opposite. It has improved the look and texture of my skin, and combined with the maracuja oil, it has reduced the redness of any existing pimples and seems to heal them faster. Buy this and an equal size of argan oil, mix them equally, and you have a terrific beard oil for one for the price or less. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.